Take a look at this channel. With just 85 videos, it has gained 364,000 subscribers and accumulated over 585 million total views. The views on these videos are insanely high. One of the most popular videos on the channel has crossed 249 million views, which is extremely impressive for a relatively new creator. Many of the other videos on the channel have also performed exceptionally well. On Social Blade, you can also see their estimated earnings, which are over $220,000 per month and more than $2.3 million per year. You can even see their daily earnings listed below. The good news is that you can create these amazing AI videos using free AI tools. To create these videos, I'll be using a master prompt, which you can get by commenting the word prompt. Simply copy the master prompt from this document. Now paste that prompt into ChatGPT and press enter. After that, type start and hit enter again. ChatGPT will now suggest multiple title ideas. Select the one you like the most. I'm choosing the second option, called Empty Modern Apartment Living Room. Copy this title and give it back to ChatGPT. Now the real game starts. ChatGPT will generate both image prompts and video prompts. All you need to do is follow these steps to create AI videos. First, open Leonardo AI for image generation. I'm using this tool only for the first image, so you can use any free tool you're comfortable with. But let's go with this one. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9 and set the number of images to 1. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI. Click on the Generate button. It will generate the first image. As you can see, the image looks amazing, exactly how we wanted it. Download this image. Next, open Google Gemini and upload the downloaded image. Now, copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Gemini, and hit enter. It will start generating the second image. As you can see, this image also looks amazing and is consistent with the previous one. This consistency is exactly what we need to create viral AI renovation videos. Download this image as well. Now upload the second image into Google Gemini. Copy the third image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and hit enter. Once again, the result comes out perfectly. By following these steps, you can generate all the images required for your video. Once all the images are ready, the next step is converting them into videos. For video generation, we already have the animation prompts provided by ChatGPT along with the image prompts. For this, we'll use Google Flow. Open Google Flow and click on Create New Project. Select the aspect ratio, choose the model, I'm using VO-Fast, and set the number of outputs to 1. You'll see options to upload a start frame and an end frame. Upload the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Now copy the first animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. As you can see, the result looks amazing. To create the second video, upload the second image as the start frame and the third image as the end frame. Copy the second animation prompt, paste it here, and hit Generate. Your second video will be ready. By following the same method, you can generate all the remaining video clips using Google Flow. As you can see, I've generated all the videos here. Download them one by one. Now comes the final step, editing, or simply assembling all the clips into one video. For this, you can use any basic editing software. I'm going to use CapCut. Open CapCut, import all the generated videos, and drag them into the timeline one by one. Make any necessary adjustments, then click Export and export the video at the maximum resolution. So guys, this was the complete step-by-step process to create viral AI renovation videos. Don't forget to comment prompt to get the exact prompt I used in this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.